Today I'm going to teach you how to embed an image in Outlook Mail. This is especially useful when you want to include visuals directly in the body of your email rather than sending them as separate attachments, making your message more engaging and professional. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once you're signed in, you'll see your inbox and all your folders appear on the screen. This is your main workspace where you can access all of Outlook's features and tools. Once your email has been loaded, to embed an image in Outlook Mail, start by accessing your email tools. Click on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This will open up a fresh composition window where you can start crafting your message and preparing to insert your image. From the email composition screen, if you're having trouble embedding images in your email and do not want to add it as an attachment, the process is pretty much straightforward. Look at the top part of your screen where your menus and tools are located. From here, click on Format Text. Under the Format section, make sure that it is set to HTML. This is crucial because only the HTML format allows you to embed images directly into the email body. If it's set to plain text or rich text, you won't be able to insert images in line, so double check this setting before moving forward. Now start embedding or adding your image. Click on the Insert tab at the top of the composition window. From here, click on the Pictures drop-down menu. You'll have three options to embed your image. You can choose either from your local directory, which is this device, stock images, or online pictures. For this tutorial, we'll use the local directory option. Click on this device to proceed. A File Explorer window will appear on your screen, allowing you to browse through your computer's folders. From here, locate and select the image you wish to embed. Once you've found the right image, click Insert. You'll see the image embedded directly into your email body, appearing exactly where your cursor was positioned. And that's it. You've successfully embedded an image in your Outlook email. Now your recipients will see the image as part of the message itself, not as a separate attachment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.